Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going through is utilizing Excel, specifically VBA, to communicate with Outlook to send an email. This is great if, say, you have a set distribution list with a set specific attachments that we need to send out under any time-sensitive circumstances. What you can do is you can auto-populate a table, run through, collect your variables in an array, and then utilize this Outlook segment to send out your emails. So first things first, launch your Excel application, go to your Developer tab, open up Developer, go to References, make sure your Outlook reference is checked as true. So for me, it's Outlook 14 Library. So insert new module and go from there. So let's call this email 1. Define our variable. First, we're going to be defining the Outlook application. And then our item within the application is going to be the mail item. So let's call this all mail as object. Now we're going to be binding our objects to the Outlook application. So OLAP equals to create object as string text Outlook.application. We're going to be setting our all mail Now, these are going to be binded. Now what we can do is we can utilize these and send out an email. Or in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're going to display the final product. So with our mail item, and like any other day, I got spelling errors. This would not work. Alright, we got old mail. Sounds like old man, pretty much what I am. Let's go forward. So very simple, .2. Let's make up an email address, something at gmail.com. Let's create a subject line. Let's call this test. Oh, there we go. In the body of the email, this was really simple. Okay. Don't forget to show your heritage. Me being a very, very nice Canadian, will always have to say A in a rhetorical sense. And for good measure, you can, if you want, do attachments. And then you would enter in the string of where the attachment is located. So say it's your C drive, and it's called something else, it's on your desktop, and it's an Excel file, just copy and paste that name in there, and you'll be fine. But for this purpose, we're not going to be doing so. And we're going to be displaying our email just to show that there is a functionality and that it works. So we're going to run through this. See if it works. If it works, we're going to call it a day. Probably have a nice glass of Scotch whiskey. If you're lucky, it's de Berg. If you're not so lucky, it's de Wers and it's honeyed. Whatever your fancy is, they're all good as it goes down easy and smooth. All right, here we go. So let's check it out. We're going to step through and check. There we go. It was simple. Man, what a great day. So there you go. There you have it. Very simple. Basically what you're doing is you're using VBA to bind to Outlook and communicate with it with a very set simple commands. And that's it. That's all she wrote. I shall see you guys another day. Cheers.